Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today I have a tutorial for you. If you're like me, you have your hot buy paper pads or whatever paper pad that you have, and you've been working through it for a while and you end up with all of these little bits and scraps and things. And so I was trying to come up with ways to use up my scraps for things that I can reuse into my crafting projects. And so I was inspired on Pinterest to make these super cute flowers using my little paper scraps. And these are 1/8" strips, or 1/4" strips. Yes, 1/4" strips. And I made this one into a rosette little badge, and then on this I used one on the front as an embellishment. And if you'd like to know how I made this, I will link the video for this down below. So I have this really pretty Ooh La La paper pad from Michaels. It was a hot buy, and I've actually purchased this twice because I've made a couple different French themed junk journals, and so I have lots of pieces here that I want to use up. And what I did with them is I went through and I made the 1/4" strips, a whole bunch in different sizes, and then I also made these 3/4" strips. Sorry, my new kitty really likes to play. She's in her playing mode right now. So anyway, I have all these little strips, and so I want to show you how I put together these little flowers. So they're super simple. So pull out your strips. I used my paper trimmer on this and just went to town with it and punched out or trimmed and cut little strips from all the different patterns. So you need your strips, you need a stapler, you need either just scissors to cut a circle, or I have this 1" circle punch. I have some glue. I also have my hot glue gun, and then I have some buttons. I also have these little jewel embellishments. And then I also pulled my Sizzix, and I have this scalloped circle die set that I used when I was doing my layering. So, and any other embellishments that you like, I had this little tile that I used. So, the first thing you want to do is, after you've cut your strips, just start layering them one on top of the other. I just did like that, and I used all different ones here. Start layering them, and I just layered them until I felt like it was a full flower. If you have long strips, you can cut them down. I had strips, these are about 3 inches because I had smaller, like little squares that I needed to cut up. But then these were the longer ones. But I'm cutting them to about 3 inches, and then I'm going to use a circle cut out of paper to be as a guide, and I'll cut it into a more even circle there. Let's see. Use one of these. Kind of adjust as you go. And when you think you have it as full as you would like it, go ahead and pick it up here. Kind of adjust it, and then using your stapler, go in and put a staple right in the center. Just like that. Now what I'm going to do is punch out a little circle. I have a scrap of pink here. Just going to punch a circle. I'm going to use my hot glue gun and glue that right on the back, or you can use tacky glue. Either way, hot glue gun's a little bit quicker. And then I used a piece of, this is just graph paper, but you can use any kind of paper. I drew a circle, and it's, I think this is about a 2.5 inch circle. And I cut it out. You can use like a glass, like a cup, or if you have a circle cutter, a circle cutting system, or a die or whatever, you can do that as well. Or just print a circle out from like Microsoft Word and cut it out. So now what you want to do is lay this down here and trim all the way around. Make your petals even. Just like that. Super cute. And now it is ready to embellish on the top. So I will go ahead and use my die and cut out another scalloped flower here. I have this scrap, and I think I want to use the pink. Go ahead and cut that out. And if you do not have these dies and would like them, I will put a link for them down below. I think it was either on Wish or AliExpress, but I'll find a link. If you prefer Amazon, I'll try and find an Amazon link for that. I'll just use my hot glue again and attach it. Just like that. Oops. I think I want to put a button on this one. Let's see. Oh, that's cute. Cute little heart button. I like that. Super cute. All right, which one should we make now? I want to, let's see, I'll make another one. I'll layer up some more of my pieces. I have little glue strings all over the place. And let's see, that one like there. Oh, I have this really pretty heart gold foil paper. I didn't use that in my last flower. Let's add that in there. And I think it needs one more. Strip. There we go. So I'm gonna pick it up as best I can. Here we go. All right, and staple it. All right, now my little circle. These will make really cute embellishments for a swap, which is what mine is going for, is for some Happy Mail. I think I also will make some of these for an embellishment box swap that I'm participating in. So let's trim them off. Okay, Little Miss Rose. Hey, you go over there, silly girl. All right, almost done with this one. And let's see, I'm going to do rosette on top of this one. So I have my 3/4 inch strips, and I think I will use this one here. It's a polka dot. It's 3/4 by 12 inches. So you can use your scoreboard or just start folding. And I usually fold about 1/4 of an inch. So when you're done folding it, then you put some hot glue on top of your little strips there and put it flat right down on top of the glue. Sorry, I forgot to hit the on button again and missed that. Now I'm going to add a little one of these jewels. I have the pink one right into the center there. So cute. I love this. So now you can use it like this, or you can add a couple little strips on the bottom to make a badge. And it's ready to go into some Happy Mail or onto a scrapbook page, into an embellishment box, whatever you want. Super cute, endless ideas with any of your scrapbook scraps that you have. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment and subscribe, and I'll see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.